Everyone's having an exciting week. We have an exciting weekend. We have 3 open houses in Watercrest. We've been advertising it. Please look on our Parrot Realty Facebook and Instagram pages, as well as my personal page. But I wanted to get right into this week in real estate. So, home buyer demand hits the highest it's hit in a year. So, market has definitely gone up. So the challenge is that there are just not enough available homes for buyers to see as supply is lower than demand. So it's economics. So across the US right now, home prices have either leveled out or they're continuing to go up due to this low inventory. So even with mortgage rates doubling just from last year to now, they are double. There are 22% fewer homes for sale, which is the biggest drop since early 2020. So half of the homes are selling in just 2 weeks right now nationally. So if you have a property to sell, it's going to sell fast if it's priced and marketed right, which is the fastest since last June. So we're just getting in that summer, spring, summer selling season. So only 1 in 4 homes sold recently sold over asking. So that's a nearly 50% drop from just a year ago, as we were obviously dealing with the rates being a half of what they are now. So people are paying almost double per month for a mortgage payment. So it's really important to know these figures and know how the market's just fluctuated in just a few months. So this week in Parkland's real estate, we currently have 110 single family homes for sale. So we are going to see inventory increase as kids get out of school. We are a seasonal market here in Parkland and West Broward, where people tend to put their houses on the market after their children finish school or right before that, so that they can move and get them acclimated to the next area they're moving to. And it goes vice versa for the buyers moving to our area. So we had 34 price reductions, 40%. So we are seeing still major price reductions on those 110 homes for sale. 62 days average for those 110 homes. So obviously, the longer a home sits on the market, a few weeks ago we were doing our market update. The average was 90 days. So homes are moving more, quickly. But the idea is, if you still are on the market for 30 plus days, you are definitely priced too high. The marketing's not working. There's definitely challenges that need to be addressed. So just in the past 7 days alone, we have 13 new listings for sale. 13 new listings for sale, 12 price reductions, 20 homes went under contract, which is fantastic news. We had double digits last week as well. 19 homes sold. So among those 19 homes sold that last week, the median sales price was $1,035,000. So you're seeing the more affordable homes moving, and the luxury of luxury, the 1.5 to 2 million plus dollar homes, for those homes are taking longer to sell because obviously the affordability, interest rates, and supply is a lot higher. So the supply of the multi-million dollar homes, there's a lot more of those than homes that are, say a 1.2 to 700 right now. So mortgage rates, they have gone up. They're fluctuating back and forth. We're hoping that report that's supposed to come out, that May 10th report, supposed to, really knock down these rates. But right now, according to Mortgage News Daily, for a 30-year fixed rate, you're about 6.67% today. The 30-year jumbo is 6.2%. And the 15-year rate, we're at 6.05%. And that 10-year note, we're sitting there right at about 3.56%. So what does this all mean for you? So if you're in the market to purchase a house, we're telling people that they should move forward. Rates are going to go down, where they'll probably be in the fives in weeks, not even months. And they could be in the fours in maybe a year or so. So if you're thinking of making a move, it'd be advisable to get in the market while there is more inventory. Understand, with 110 homes for sale, last March and April, we had 50 homes for sale. So we have more inventory, but pre 2020, we had homes of about 180 or so homes for sale. So we're definitely way lower than that number. So approximately, you see nationwide 50% less. We're almost that in Parkland as well. So if you're looking to make a move, this is a good time, because I have a lot of our sellers selling, and then they're able to make contingency offers on homes that they're looking to move to. And then they're going with either a 7-year ARM mortgage or a jumbo in Parkland. And then they're obviously paying attention to mortgage rates in the next 6, 12, 24 months to see that they could refinance. And just understand, I always tell this to people about mortgage rates with mortgage loans. The mortgage loan of a property right now dies every, say 5 to 7 years. So people live in homes up to 10 years right now, but that doesn't mean they don't refinance or possibly sell. So if you're going to get a 7 or 10 year rate on your mortgage, you're not going to go with a 30-year fixed, and you could maybe buy down the payment a little bit more. That's what I'm advising clients to do right now, so they can get ahead of this market and be able to refinance to maybe a 15 or 30-year mortgage, maybe in the next 6 to 12 plus months. So these are things that you should be thinking of when you're looking at real estate right now. Our supply is very low. Something catastrophic would need to happen for inventory to double. So we have more inventory, but certainly not at a level that we had, pre 2020. So I don't see that changing, even with more people listing their homes in the coming weeks and months. We've taken a plethora of new listings. We are selling them in the first week or two. So obviously, homes that are selling in the first week or two are getting premium value and premium price. So it's very important when you're listing right now to call agents that are proactive, doing amazing marketing like we are doing, and staying on top of the market and really giving you the truth about what's going on in the market. We're being honest. This market's volatile. The rates are up, the rates are down, supply's up, it's down, but it's staying consistently good. I haven't seen the market fall apart in it, and I don't see that happening anytime soon, especially in a prominent community that a lot of people, both locally, nationally, and internationally, are buying in. And that's where we're marketing to. And right now, we're selling about 12% of the Parkland real estate that's for sale, and we're still doing double end deals representing buyers or sellers. They're coming directly to our marketing that we're putting out there, just like this, at 30% right now. So if you're curious to know what your home's worth, we're getting closer to kids getting out of school. Be a great time to reach out to us. I personally come out to your home and speak with you. You can, if you're watching this on TV, you can use your QR code, and in the top corner here of this ad, put your information in and go right to our site, or you can go to our website, My Parkland Home Value. That's also at the bottom of the screen. My Parkland Home Value will get you to our page that I personally will see and call you, and we can get together, and would love to tell you how we're doing an amazing job for your neighbors and the city of Parkland, and just having a great time, humble in our success, and looking to grow and continue to elevate our credibility in the eyes of our city. So hope everyone has a great weekend. Please come out to our 3 open houses in Watercrest. We will be hosting those both Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 3. Some really amazing turnkey properties. We have them on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Would love to see your comments, any questions. Please like and share this. I do this every week for you because I want everybody to be informed on what's happening on a weekly basis in our city, in our country, and certainly in the mortgage industry as well. So you can keep your pulse on the market like we are too. And these are the things that you should be looking at as we get into the real estate summer selling season. So you have a great weekend, and we'll see you next weekend. Next week for a market update here at